Alright. Izzy Epsilon, guys, come on. Featuring friends that I can't pronounce their names. I'm sorry, I'm drunk. Here we go.
Alright. Thank you very much. My name is Miss Izzy Epsilon. And I have a track right now. It's called BossMan. You know, anyone in this area has a boss that really gets on their nerves. Can I hear an amen or a clap or something? Boss? Get on their nerves. Yeah. I'm one of those. So I wrote a song. It's called BossMan.
BossMan.
I'm just about done blowing up like a dynamite in the sun. Push you my limit. What do you expect? Some games and fun. I got news for you. I see the shit that you run is a foot. I'm shifty eyed shit talking angel to poke fun at your behind. Yeah, you should switch that up and rewind. Skip the burgers and the fries. That's a big shake. You fat, you stupid, and you're so damn fake. Boss man. Yeah. You're a boss man. You ain't the boss man. You ain't the boss man. You ain't the boss man. You'll be stupid and fat, but that's not the half of it. When I try to take a little look and throw a hissy fit, I know you're taking that home with your back slung shovel down your throat as you blow, smiling to yourself. You cast me in, but you didn't cast me into respect. Yo, need some fucking self-respect and a pin smack. Woo! Didn't your mama teach you not to be wasteful? And not so damn ignorant and so damn fucking hateful, boss man. You're a boss man. Well, I got news for your boss man. You ain't no fucking boss man. You ain't the boss man. What if that meal was the only one I had all week? What if I just put it down my throat? And what if you shut your shop and keep the peace? Yo, you know, I haven't seen a face like you. Man, you should go in a zoo. You haven't seen your penis in weeks. Get your head out of your butt, cause that shit fucking reeks. You're the boss man. You are the boss man. Fucking ain't the boss man. And you fucking ain't the boss of me, John. Woo! This is a represent. Fuck y'all. Represent! Check, you ain't the boss man. Oh, you ain't the boss man.